Alaikum warahmatullah, little friends. Welcome to our channel, Dreams and Roses. Mama, can you read me? My mom is gonna read me a nice book. Mama, can you read me a book? Okay, I will.
Sure, Shanwaz. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah, little friends. So we are going to read a story.
I'm gonna do it by myself. Oh yeah.
Okay, so now your mommy is going to read you a very good story. The story title is The Prophet and the Blind Man.
Blind man? What's the blind man?
Blind means a person who is not blessed with the eyes. You have eyes. There are some people in the world.
Wait, I want to play with this game.
There are some people in the world who are not as blessed as we are. They don't have the eyes. Such people are more special to Allah, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So let's see what is the story is about. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to sit near the Kaaba. This is the Kaaba. All the Muslims turn their face towards this side and they do namaz. Okay, so Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to sit near the Kaaba and explain passages from the Quran to the people. One day, as usual, he was sitting near the Kaaba and explaining the messages of the Quran to some ungodly chiefs of the Quraysh tribe.
What does that mean?
Quraysh tribe mean that some big people.
That are like adults?
Some officers.
Huh?
Yes.
And some police plans.
In the hope that they would listen to his message and accept Islam. As he was talking to the chiefs, a blind man whose name was Abdullah ibn Maktoum approached him.
What does that approach mean?
Approach mean he came there and he wanted to ask something. The blind man did not realize that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was sitting with some high-ranking people and was discussing some important matters with them. As soon as the blind man approached the Prophet, he said, "O Messenger, teach me about whatever Allah has taught you." The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was annoyed at the blind man cutting in like this and spoke roughly with him. Because the blind person could not see that he is sitting with some important people and he is talking about some important things. So, and then, you know what happened? Allah Mia did not like that. Because Allah Mia was looking at the blind man, and then Allah Mia responded to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who had come to see. But Allah did not like the way the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam responded to the blind man who had come to seek guidance from him. The following verses of the Quran were then revealed to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That means then Allah Mia then talked to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazur sallallahu alaihi wasallam say, then Allah Mia spoke. Let's see what Allah Mia said to him. Allah Mia said to him, these are some Quranic verses. Abasa wa tawalla. That means that when the blind man came to him, he gave him an angry look and turned his back on him. Yet how did he know that he might purify himself? On be warned, and the warning may benefit him. To one who was uncaring, you were all the attention. Although you do not have to ensure for it if he does not purify himself, but one who comes to you eagerly and fearfully, you ignore? No, indeed, this Quran is warning. So whoever is willing, let him seek remembrance from it. Surah Abasa. Then Allah Mia told Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam that he did not do right. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam later gave in and treated Ibn Maktoum ever after with great respect, finally making him governor of Medina. This is the city of Medina, and Hazur sallallahu alaihi wasallam made him the big chief of that city, because he did a little mistake and then he he was upset that he made Alamiya angry on this mistake, and then as a compensation he made him the governor of this city.
The government?
Governor is a big officer person. Okay, the story of the blind man reminds us that no one in this world is superior to others, even if he has a high rank and position. The message of the story is that one is only superior to other if he or she has a higher rank in the sight of the Alamiya, in the sight of Allah. Shahnawaz, the story that I just told you, did you like it?
Yep. Yeah. Yes, Mama. Thank you for reading it, and I love you.
Okay, you can say Jazakallah if you want.
Jazakallah.
Okay, next time we will read another story for you, okay? Okay, say Allah Hafiz to our little friends.
Allah Hafiz, little friends.
In a normal voice.
Allah Hafiz, little friend.
Allah Hafiz, friends.
Allah Hafiz, friends.